Well, that was fast as fuck. Look at that. Got CnC Gimbals from Pyrodrone TBS. Look at that. Officially licensed by TBS right there. Already got them here in the store. Come get some at flyhighfpv.com if you want. Get them first. I'm about to open them up. All right, inside this box are two small boxes. You got one labeled throttle and one labeled SC, whatever that shit means. But that's going to be throttle and the other's going to be pitch and roll. There she is. I'm going to do my best to open this with one hand. Fuck it. Be right back. Alright, here it is. All metal. The Pyrodrone blaze on there. Feels really smooth. Really, really nice. And just in case you're wondering, I got all three of the gimbals in the Fly High store right now. On the bottom end, you can get non-folding sticks. These are only like 15 bucks a piece. You can get the Pro folding sticks from TBS. These are all version 2. They're right at like 55 bucks for a set. And then you can get the full all metal CnC gimbals from Pyrodrone, and they are 130 bucks a set. I can't wait to put these in. I'll let you know real soon.